Yeah, I'm here on Valley Spring, Texas, in the middle of nowhere. That is the post office, and this is the city hall of the small town. And this is where the inventor of the electric typewriter is from. Let me see if I can read this plaque to you. Valley Spring, O.C.J. Phillips, first settled, arrived in 1853. Whistleville combined with Bogus Coffle to form Valley Spring, with the post office established in 1878. This was birthplace of James Field Smather, 1888 to 1967, inventor of the electric typewriter. And my grandfather, I guess I should say my great grandfather, born exactly in 1888. So they had the same age. But my grandfather died 10 years later in 1975, I believe it was. Oh, 9 years later. Anyway, this is the town of the fellow who invented the typewriter, electric typewriter. James Field Smather. Hopefully you enjoy it.